baby. Yes, you're waiting for your food. I know, you're like, where's my food? Where is it? I'm hungry. Where's my food?
Good morning and happy Vlogmas. I'm going to say attempted day 19 after what happened this past week. So as I told you, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, they're all just gonna be in one vlog, and I'll try to get that uploaded today. So today I'm actually gonna be going into work pretty late, and I'm going to be revealing myself as Lindsay's secret snowman, and she's gonna know it's me anyway because I have been leaving her gifts every single morning and she's not getting them. So I think she has an idea like, oh, I have my gifts today. It must have been Matt, or probably some of the other teachers are also, unfortunately they're getting sick. They are starting their winter holiday early. So she's probably thinking it could be any one of them too. So it's still a surprise, but yeah, I just don't think that I'm gonna be able to slip in at 11:30 today and be stealth about it, or really be able to keep it a secret because she's gonna know it's me. Happy Belly's fed. Yes. Alexa, what's the weather?
Right now in Bristow, it's 41 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly sunny skies. Today's forecast has partly sunny weather, with a high of 46 degrees and a low of 29 degrees.
So today's gonna be a pretty big event in my classroom. I'm going to pretend that I got gifts from Santa to give to the kids. So they are all going to receive just nice little gifts that I did not buy them. It was actually, these were boxes of new toys, new gifts that were bought by the parents, all the parents around the school. And I think I mentioned it in one of my earlier vlogs, I don't remember, but yeah, we had, just boxes and boxes of new toys, and all the parents in the school chipped in. And yeah, these were all toys that can be just allocated to different teachers to give to their kids. So, and the teachers were, we came in and we were allowed to pick the toys, pick the gifts that we are going to give our children, give our students. So it's going to be an exciting day. They will get their gifts, and I cannot wait to see their faces. I'll let you know their reactions. Unfortunately, I cannot record it, but I'll let you know how it goes. Gosh, you are, oh my gosh, lazy. You are lying down and eating. Wow. Hi all, just stopped at Harris Teeter, and I decided actually to get Lindsay 2 bags of Pepperidge Farm chocolate chip cookies because she likes chocolate chips. So one is milk chocolate, the other's dark chocolate. And yeah, I'm just headed to school right now. It's about 11:05, and also got my lunch at Harris Teeter as well. So just having kind of a light day today and planning to just kind of hide in my corner office until I give the gifts to the kids. Well, that's all the paperwork from last night that I have to submit to admin. So yeah, it was a pretty long urgent care stay, about 3.5 hours, but everything was fine. So here we go. Hi all, how's everyone doing? I am done. That is it. It is officially my winter break now because I'm not going in tomorrow. I'm going to be actually driving up to Ohio. So I'm excited. I am so excited. I am done. I am off. I got a lot of wonderful gifts from other teachers and from my students. So I will just go ahead and show you all of those when I get home. They're so beautiful. I love them. Okay, Mom is sleeping. So I will just show you what I got. Hey guys, what's up? I have my days wrong. I think actually today is Vlogmas day 18, not 19. Oops, I said 19 this morning, but it's 18. Anyway, hope everyone is having a good night. I'm here at the bowling alley now. I don't know why I did that. You all know what a bowling alley looks like. All right, anyway, we're about to get started in, now. So wish me luck all. So not my best night, but oh well. And Nate's back in. Yep, back in the scene again at the very end of the night. So, and he doesn't mind being on YouTube. So I will take that as a, take that as approval, permission to be on YouTube. Good evening, everybody. Mom and I just finished the movie Carry On with Jason Bateman and Taron Egerton, and it was really good. Yeah, very good, very entertaining thriller. I was actually pleasantly surprised by it. Oh, I'm just settling in, just winding down, just getting ready for, vacation has started for me, so yay. So happy about that. I'm just glad that I can just relax. I'm going to have my phone on me tomorrow, so I told the teachers that if they need to call me, they can call me or text me. But yeah, I just plan to now just take it easy and enjoy the time off. I'm off until January 5th. So at some point, me and Mom would like to try to go up to Delaware. I think we're going to probably do it the weekend of the 3rd, 4th, and 5th of January. And yeah, Jack is going to try to make it in for New Year's Eve, and we're going to go to Alan Tony's and celebrate there. So, yeah, just a lot planned for the holiday break. But bowling went well tonight. We won all 3 games, and I didn't really bowl my best, though, so I was kind of disappointed on an individual level. But, well, as a team, we pulled through, so that was good. So, nice little send-off to the holidays. And, yeah, we're not going to bowl until, we're supposed to bowl January 2nd, but I don't think I'm going to be in town. So I just have to remember to keep my teammates posted on that. All right, everybody. Well, have a wonderful rest of your evening. Get some good sleep, and I will see you tomorrow.